Yeah, welcome back again. We don't show. Now we say we don't show. We tell you now say we go boss out and we go tear you matter. We concern gender bees, where women to continue to occupy NAS. Gender B where they don't pass, say may women continue to occupy NAS. But some of those bees they not go down well with the women. And for the moment they assign this very bee, women they don't occupy. They say we not go agree or we not go agree. We not go agree or we not go agree. They must review this very big again to make sure say that they're very flexible with the women and they don't put up some kind of demands. And part of those demands, now we go chook our eye put to them, we break and one by follow. But to put perspective on top of this thing and to chook mad put so that we go really understand and a person when he be like say, I dey always like talk this word for people when he be say they get weight where and then they sabi talk. Because for those state they call them beyond or he. People will be say they get with where and the woman where they with us today. Now that kind of person will be say when it comes to matter we concern politics and things we concern Nigerians and woman right. In fact, when she talk, grand self they shake, they recognize in a person. Now they talk now no he. I be gonna help me welcome one person when he be say when it comes to matter since we don't concern Nigeria, she don't stand firm. Prepare. You know all the accolades. I won't make only you give all the accolades that we concern the woman. Make her not skip anyone.
Okay, so she be Mrs. Ibim Semenitari. She be former acting managing director of NDDC and of course 2 times commissioner of information for Rivers State. You see she reach grant. She balance like balanced diet inside every matter. Good morning, ma'am, and welcome to this matter.
And thank you.
Thank you so much. So National Assembly, first day of March. What happened to be the month where they supposed to celebrate women? First day of March, where be month of women. Now National Assembly talk say everything we get to do with women, they wash their hand come out inside. They don't want. One, the bill where talk say woman, if you marry man from Obodo, you come Nigeria, the man supposed to be citizen too. Just like the man, if you marry woman come, the woman go be citizen. Then throw one come off for corner. Say they don't like him. Because if he pose security risk and all that, the woman not go pose. Okay. Then another one, woman, as you dare now, you don't marry. As you mean say you and your husband not from the same state. Your state don't deny you say you be your husband property now. Your husband property to your husband people to come deny you say you say so woman go to float for air for Nigeria. She don't go from any states. She no go fit contest political position for any state. That one said it will come off for corner. Another one where consign women say, okay, out of all the seats waiting for National Assembly, 360 for House of Rep, about 109 for Senate. Someone I just come out only about small, about 100 are thereabouts, 101. Just give women. May women know see this one are their own. Men say no, they don't want her. May women they did their own. May they fight. The other people they fight. That one self they come out for corner. Different things we get to better women life like this. Come talk say 35% affirmative action. Meaning say for executive arm of government, make it be say them vote make them put women at least for 35% of the positions them. They talk say they don't want them. Even for political party, they say they don't want them. All right, madam. I for like make you help us educate Ochuko because I get a question for you. For inside this matter, but Ingo has a question later. But for now, make it touch like this matter. Small, make him for understand. Wait till make women they say they no go great.
I bet many Nigerians understand.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No, you know, say you get one thing when you miss. You see, say that March 1st, now the day where they say that no discrimination day. That day you're not supposed to discriminate. That day, the whole world say this day, no discrimination day. And this year. They talk say the thing this year we say may they make law when good law we go make everybody equal come out law where they make person to separate to different. Now in that day our own lawmakers they say they go make the law we go make their children because all of them get children we go make their daughters and their sisters and their wife and their mama them turn to second-class citizen. I beg my sister make una help me touch like the matter. How you go talk say woman when you marry when you born your children. Don't follow you sit down. Say make she not get mouth for your states. Make she not be human being. Therefore, to pack all of us to where else come out for Nigeria. Make only them stay. The thing where they pay me be say when you reach election now the women now they all they go sit down on that song. There are people like Ochuko go come they tell me say make we follow them drag. Fires when you reach election time. Why don't they tell us make we go sit down inside? The chop when they chop so for that election now women they cook up. You see, the wahala be stay when the men they talk this thing.
Yes.
Sometimes they remember say they born daughter.
Not true.
So when their daughter marry, go another state. I know these our children nowadays. They know they marry come our state. One go marry go Kaula na Moda. The other one go marry go Sabondi Daura. When they marry finish so, you pikin go reach there, they go say no go fit talk. Not the only the other day went for Cross River State. They say woman from Akwa Ibom. When they don't born for Calabar, he dey for Calabar grow. He marry Calabar man. Say make he not be chief judge. Say not be Calabar woman. I want Calabar rich again.
Okay.
So the children when they talk this nonsense, they never born them when she become judge.
Okay, madam.
So this kind of foolish thing, like they say, make you agree. Say put law. Anywhere woman born and married, she get right. And I say no. Which kind of nonsense talk with that one?
Madam, speaking about this thing where they talk about, so they say now until after 5 years of them being together, according to the conversation.
Which kind of work talk with that one? So so that year when she married, she not be a wife. That year when she married, she not be wife.
May not be like saying that now.
When I say na equality, my pikin now go say he wan marry Spanish man. And I say not get mouth. Abidjan woman, Abidjan woman. For Ijon land, we not the one make our children lost.
Okay.
So we dey want make our in-law self or follow us dey shop. Now I say make my in-law not get mouth too. If na man, but if man marry, as soon as they marry, okay, his wife don't get right. Haba, which kind of thing be that? Now different law for different people because I be woman. I not get 2 eye, I not get 2 ear, I not get 1 mouth. I not get 2 hand and 2 leg.
True. Ma, since they don't they call Ochuko.
Make Ochuko talk now.
Make her talk.
Ochuko get.
So the matter where me are really they come from be say, if we want to look where like the Lad Besan law, when it be say that they push the right of women's emancipation and the right of women in terms of public office, governance, and all that. Now, women that they stand against the denied 35% appointed position for women and the denied women 35% affirmation action in party administration and leadership. Let me land, ma. And reject specific seat for women in the National Assembly. Now, you know, if you say this very 35% when una dey push for, it dey limit una to a specific place. When it be say in the future, you know the see and say women can even take over 100% now they go do. Because you don't put your pen sign at 35%, you don't limit yourself to a particular place so you not feel come out. Why would I not see them like that?
You try, my brother. Thank you well as you like us. For 47 years since 1985, now in Nigeria signed say they agree for this 35%. 47 years. Beijing conference. True. Nigeria went ahead and said, we agree. Now, why do they talk about 35%? Why do we talk about affirmative action? Make we talk true. Why would they talk about reserve seats? Not only for Nigeria, 30 countries for sub-Saharan Africa, I think 33 countries said they do this reserve seat, they do quota system.
True.
Okay, I tell you, I like Rwanda. Every time I say Rwanda is wonderful.
Yeah, exactly. Rwanda, Kenya.
Yes, Rwanda get enough women for seat.
Yeah. He did Uganda. He did Tanzania. Not the only also. So shame suppose even catch us there. Say we still they talk this kind of matter. Because why did they talk of this reserve seat? Very simple. Unfortunately, women not start with men for politics, for money, for school. Not for when we follow na start. That time, when una they go, now we they cook. They go say make woman sit down, make him brother go school. That's why not be affirmative action. When they say make her sit down, my brother go school. He go to school finish. He supposed go that school, make it come better for me. But as he go to school finish, he forget. Say no be because he get brain pass me. Now because they say the man. Now when they talk, say all those law when they do before, we make sure say women no conflict start when on our start. Say make una give us head start. It dey like if una wan run. Old man dey, small pikin dey, they put the old man for front. For this case, we with una not start the same time because of our society where they think say men are God. So they put us for back, put on for front. They give on a head start. And what basically the 35% law they say, we not talk say we won't follow Naivo immediately. Just make with the small. National Assembly, 96% in our men. Now men. This 9th assembly, now he bad passing war past last assembly. That was if war past 7 assembly. If you like, if we leave now, by next year it will be 99% men. Okay, like say on I get small women, at least that 30-20% for that natural assembly. When they bring law, we talk say some kind of foolish law, I no one call some of them before now kill me. But some law when not get head and pay. We talk say make old man carry 9-year-old pikin they marry because they're not vessel. Things when you talk like they pain for ear. All those kind of if woman the woman will help them touch light them, explain them for them. Because you know this one are men, eh? Sometimes on our head don't they correct, sometimes I don't think get sense. Even for ourselves. Sometimes I no go get sense. Now you will come call enter bedroom say my darling sweet honey husband will come massage him back.
Madam, with all due respect, we are the fathers here.
When you don't taste
Madam,
stand. When you come out, you come and talk, everybody go say, okay, Sabi talk. The woman tell her for backyard.
Madam,
say make we follow now. They talk for backyard for national assembly. No agree.
Madam, I just want to ask one very vital question because a lot of people they talk say now because of men now make women know they involved in politics as they supposed to be, and the conversation be say create a level playing field for everybody, make everybody get equal right to vote or to get involved in politics. You don't make them clear say men start before women and women just want at least head start, but you feel say enough women personally one day involved in the affairs of government and politics. If we look at based on the reaction where women they even get towards politics, you feel say women are really interested in running politics.
What do they talk? Break it. They full ground remain. Full ground remain. I said I need even bring me they talk. Before she talk one, I don't talk 20. Okay, look at just follow me. Look the matter.
Okay.
We not follow now. They do old boys network. Because that time when they meet to gist for bar, they drink. We did for us they cook. We do for us they look the pikin there. So when I go gather, agree, planner, do say okay, we will go. You know what you happen this year? Now John will go tomorrow. Now Thomas will go. And I know they remember I say we did. Okay, we say maybe we go enter the meeting. Follow now enter the meeting. If we talk, we say madam, wait first. We plenty, we break it. This talk when the women go National Assembly. For my own party, no verse to I get party. I don't know whether I feel call her as I did before I call her advert. But I don't say my party been do gathering of women. This talk when they carry go National Assembly. All the women when they that gathering, all of us talk say make her carry go with them on a bag gidigba. Who tell you say women no one come out? Women they come out. When we come out and they push us come out for side. Okay, small thing I go say na consensus. Small thing I go say as I agree by leadership. Whether they agree for the leadership or I no go give woman. So what I want make we do?
Okay,
the leadership now they there.
Based on who you be, you don't occupy a lot of positions for inside governance. Now, moving forward, maybe we try to put a perspective to what we talk. This agitation of women, the way they go protest now. If they go put the ball for your court, say, okay, what do you think say you go prefer for women in terms of governance? What do you think say you go change?
So number one thing we say, this thing not be hard, not strong like that too. Make we start from the party level. Wetin dey wrong to say we go reserve 35% of the seat. Make women come contest for am. We no talk say just carry dash women. At least how it be now. We self we strong now. Women when get PhD dey. Women when don reach the head top. I don't waka. I don't be reporter. I don't be editor. I don't be publisher. I don't be trainer. Me myself. So who talk say I no go fit to go for maybe national publicity secretary like say na that one. So like that, me I be one person. Women when get her full everywhere. You don't see now, see as it be now. Every day now they post everywhere. Who be see national deputy UN secretary general, not be woman. You don't see as she they flex, they carry Nigeria, they go up. Who be WTO DG, not the woman. You don't see as the whole world they agree her. But when you reach Nigeria now, we say no, make our doctors no come out. Which kind of people on a be safe? Not the picking the one go come out, so not be on a picking.